Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gregor's World Foods. So, get the hob on a little bit. There's the onion, there you go. So I'm gonna just chop up the onion a little bit first. Can't make something without onions. Little bit of rapeseed oil. I always prefer rapeseed oil these days. I still love olive oil, but rapeseed is just a bit nicer flavour. So roughly chop the onion, get that sweating down. Prep the rest of the veg. Get half a sweet red pepper here. Fridge. And half of this lovely little chilli. But I am going to take the seeds out of this one because it's a bit too spicy. So this is going to be a chicken dish. We'll get chicken breast fillets. I'll probably use 2 for this. So the dish is basically going to end up with these peppers, the onions sweated down, chicken cooked off, and I'm going to use chopped up salsa to create the sauce. If that's not liquid enough, we'll get some extra tomatoes there. I've got some seasoning. I'm going to use some interesting stuff. I've got Himalayan pink salt. I've got the Knorr red wine stock, which adds a really nice flavour to things. A touch of garlic. Can't have anything without garlic either. Ain't no vampires in this house. Might be a dragon, but there's no vampire. So the chicken's going to be in chunks. At the base of the dish with all this veg, and then I'm going to top it with some potatoes. I'm using Irish Pipers because A, that's what I've got, and B, I love them. But I'm just going to use rings. I'm not going to peel them. Just going to get almost like a thin potato crust on top. So hopefully, let's see how it goes. A bit more translucent. Sweating off. Clean myself a touch. Get in. I hate dirty little surface. Touch. I'm going to prep the potatoes first because then you can see where I'm coming from. Put some water on these so they don't discolour in the interim period. I'm probably going to use 2 chicken breasts that have been trimmed off in the main. chicken's all in. Bit of colour on the chicken. There's always got to be a little bit of apple juice in the background. So, picture. This is a mild salsa. It's not blow your head off one. Because there is some heat from the little green chilli. Little flavour nugget in there. Ancho-chili flakes. I'm probably not going to use that. I'll use the smoked paprika with on the potatoes because it's almost a Spanish dish that I'm aiming at. Will be quite a spicy Spanish dish. Don't think I'll need any pepper, but I will need salt. I've chosen the pink Himalayan one just because it kind of looks nice, and a really nice little flavour to it as well. Just a touch different. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. This is starting to look a bit thick, so I'm going to add a touch of water to this to then let it cook out. Just loosen it off a bit. And this is dish, it's a bit beat up, a bit manky. Goes in the oven a lot. It's one of my favourites. This is ready now to be layered into the oven-proof dish. Let's just start layering up some potatoes. Right, we have 2 potatoes. That is just about spot on, I would say. Some more salt over the top of that. A little dusting of paprika. Little drizzle of rapeseed oil. And that, my friends, is how that's going to start off rocking and rolling. That's going to go in the oven for in probably hour and a half to get the potatoes fully cooked, and obviously the chicken underneath. Chicken's partially cooked in that frying liquid, but yeah, I think that should be interesting. And once it comes out of the oven, we will hopefully